Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a contact on Viber. If you no longer want someone on your contact list, whether it's to declutter your app or for privacy reasons, here is how you can delete a contact from Viber in just a few steps. First of all, open up the Viber application on your mobile device and then click on the Calls option at the bottom. Inside Calls, make sure you are inside the Contacts tab and then find the contact you want to delete. After selecting the contact, tap on Contact Info. Now click the pencil button at the top right corner and click on Delete this contact. In the pop-up, click on Delete once again. And just like that, you will be able to delete the contact from your Viber account. Deleting a contact on Viber will not block them. They can still message you unless you block them separately. And that's it. You have successfully removed a contact from Viber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.